Hello, and you're wondering how to pronounce this word. Well, good news, because I'm here to tell you that this word is pronounced. I said I'm froze like a beer, Eskimo beer, Eskimo beer. Let's hear that one more time. I said I'm froze like a beer, Eskimo beer, Eskimo beer. I hope I helped you learn how to pronounce this word and that you will now subscribe and leave a like to support the Professional Pronunciation YouTube channel. Please, please join the Discord down below to have your words pronounced, as we do not usually do the comment pronunciations anymore. But once the Discord pronunciations get finished, we look towards the comments. But there is also a new prioritized channel in the Discord where if you get to level 10 in Discord, you will have access to that channel, and any word you pronounce or want pronounced in that channel will be pronounced faster than in regular word suggestions. Anyway, thank you for learning how to pronounce and have a good day or night.